Palmistry and tarot, two ancient practices often shrouded in mystery, are sometimes seen as gateways to spiritual truth. But can they really unlock spiritual secrets, or are they simply symbolic tools that reflect the human need for meaning and connection? Palmistry, the art of reading the lines and shapes of the hand, dates back thousands of years. It suggests that our hands carry a map of our past, present, and potential future. The heart line, the lifeline, the mounts beneath the fingers, each is said to hold clues to who we are and what we may become. But skeptics argue that these lines are just biological patterns, random and meaningless. Still, to the practitioner and the seeker, these patterns often resonate deeply. They seem to mirror inner truths, offering insights that feel intimate and personal. Tarot, with its deck of 78 cards rich in archetypal imagery, operates on a similar principle. The Fool's journey through the major arcana is often seen as a metaphor for the human experience. Each card, whether it's the Tower, the Lovers, or Death, reflects aspects of our psychological and spiritual lives. A tarot reading isn't about fortune-telling in a rigid sense, it's about opening a dialogue with the subconscious. The images provoke thoughts and feelings, allowing us to tap into parts of ourselves that may otherwise remain hidden. So, are these practices unlocking spiritual secrets? That depends on how we define secrets. If we think of spiritual knowledge as something external and absolute, palmistry and tarot may fall short. But if spiritual insight is about self-awareness, intuition, and inner transformation, then these tools can be powerful guides. They don't offer definitive answers, but they invite reflection, encourage growth, and sometimes they reveal patterns we hadn't noticed before. In the end, the true power of palmistry and tarot might not lie in prediction, but in connection to the self, to others, and to the deeper currents of life. Whether one sees them as mystical or metaphorical, these tools remind us that seeking meaning is a deeply human journey. And sometimes the symbols we draw